In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive CRM to email a list efficiently in just a few easy steps. First things first, if you're not familiar with Pipedrive, it's a powerful CRM tool designed to help you manage your sales pipelines and communication, making it easy to keep track of your contacts and interactions. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to head over to Pipedrive's official website. Simply open your web browser and type in pipedrive.com, where you'll find yourself on the main page dedicated to their sales CRM and pipeline management software. This is the starting point for accessing all the tools and features Pipedrive offers. Once you're on the website, go ahead and click on the Login button. You can find this typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. It's time to enter your login credentials. If you haven't logged in for a while, you may need to reset your password. No worries though. Pipedrive makes this process seamless and easy. After you've logged in, you'll land on the Pipedrive home. Here, you'll see a dashboard with a comprehensive overview of your activities, deals, and, importantly, your contacts. Navigating this dashboard efficiently is key to maximizing your productivity with Pipedrive. Next, you'll want to focus on the Contacts section. Locate and click on the Contacts option. This section is crucial because it stores all your existing contacts and any new ones you add. It's your central hub for managing who you're interacting with and how frequently. Now, within the Contacts area, look for the People section. Clicking on People will provide you with a list view of all your contacts. It's an organized, easy-to-navigate space that allows you to see all your contacts at a glance. Once you've accessed your contact list, it's time to select the recipients for your group email. Take advantage of Pipedrive's filtering features to narrow your list down to the specific individuals you want to reach out to. This is a great opportunity to tailor your communication, ensuring it's relevant to the selected audience. Remember, personalized emails often yield better engagement. With your recipient selected, look for the Send Group Email button. Clicking this will open a new window where you can compose your email. Pipedrive offers a straightforward interface here, enabling you to type out your message effectively. Utilize any saved templates to streamline this process, especially if you send out similar emails frequently. Simply edit the content to suit your current purpose, add a personal touch, and hit send. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily use Pipedrive to send out group emails to your list. This tool not only helps in maintaining your contacts, but also boosts your communication efficiency, allowing you to focus more on what matters most: building and maintaining strong customer relationships. Thank you for watching, and be sure to leave any questions you might have in the comments below.